mostly the same as the iPhone XS. So if you dig in, you get your paperwork at the top as you expect. A little red tab reveals the Apple stickers and your quick start guide and everything. And since this is a Product Red phone that is donating to AIDS research and supporting the Product Red program, you do get a little red pamphlet. But as far as I know, the other colored iPhones don't have a colored pamphlet. And then underneath that, the rest of the accessories, so the slow charging brick, the lightning cable, and the lightning headphones and the missing dongle, all of that the same as the iPhone XS, which means really the only different thing is the phone in the box. And yeah, this thing is so red. It's, as far as I can tell, the same red as that last year Product Red iPhone 8 that I was raving over. So the Ferrari red, the rich red, the Tesla surfboard red. It's so bright, I love it. So, things I will be testing for my full review that are definitely different from iPhone XS as far as I know. The new screen, so the sub 720p LCD, that's made all the news. The RAM, technically iPhone XR has 1 gig less of RAM than the XS, so 3 gigs here. The slightly different material choices, so this XR has colored aluminum rails instead of the stainless steel, so it's matte instead of glossy, and it feels a little bit lighter. The single camera and the color. I don't even have to test the color really, but officially it is different, so you gotta mention it. But the main difference really being the screen, and I'll be digging into that pretty deep, seeing if this panel is as good as Apple says, or as bad as some YouTube videos would have you believe. And if anything else comes up during the full review process, that will be mentioned too, but that's what we know for sure is different. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I guess since this is a pretty short video and there's not a whole lot else to it, I guess we might as well toss in a little giveaway, shall we? So officially, here's what we'll do. I'm going to give away one iPhone XR to someone, one of you watching this video right now. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment below of which color you'd want. Remember, there's 6 of them, right? So black, white, red, coral, blue, or yellow. One of those. Now, naturally, this video might bias you a little bit since the red is just so gorgeous, even in video, but that's up to you. You can pick the color. And I'll announce the winner on Twitter in 1 week. So 7 days from now to the hour, you guys will know exactly who's gonna win. I'll retype everything down below in the description below that like button just so we have it all clear, we're all on the same page. It's international. Anyone with a shipping address on planet Earth that I can get to is eligible to win. That's pretty much it. Best of luck. And that's it for this quick one. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later. Peace.